It's going to be more of a challenge than I thought it would. 200 to 300 kilometers to go in 3 hours, and this bike could not make it. The plan today is roughly 400 kilometers. I'll be riding south around the Avalon Peninsula, what's called the Irish Loop. And I'll try to get on the ferry tonight. And I'll try to get on time. Should be a fairly easy ride. We'll see how it goes. And off we go. St. John's downtown. You've got the most pubs per capita in North America. You want a drink? Come to St. John's George Street every day at 10 p.m. Don't come earlier than that, it's empty. Right, I've made it out of town. I'm now riding the Irish Loop Drive. Twisty roads after twisty roads. It's already super nice. I love it, and beautiful weather. I was getting too comfy at the hostel. That's a trap. I had to keep moving. Now that I'm leaving St. John's, I can only go west. So I just realized it's been a month. I spent a month and on Newfoundland already. Time flies, it's crazy. I've had so much fun. I've seen so many different landscapes, from mountain range, forests, bogs, the obvious black flies. We tend to forget everything bad. Only the good remains. The highlight is the people, honestly. It went from good to better to best. They would do everything to help you out, and that's something that stays with you and you want to pass it on. Just help people out yourself whenever possible. There's always a solution. That's what I mean. Overall, great time in Newfoundland. Yeah, now I'm ready for what's next. I can't wait to go to Nova Scotia. Well, you know what? I had a quick lunch. Looks like it's gonna be more of a challenge than I thought it would. The boat is not leaving at 7, but at 5. 200 to 300 kilometers to go in 3 hours, and this bike could not make it. Yeah, no sightseeing for me today, only enjoying the ride. I'm okay with that. Let's make it up for the time lost. even the locals are like, I better get cranking. It's alright. I'm what, 30 kilometers away? Maybe 20 clicks of dirt road? Shouldn't be too bad. Easy peasy. Well, unless I end up on those mountains. But it's the only direct route to connect where I was and the west coast facing Nova Scotia. Hey, which left? Okay, there's a tiny national park called Cataract, and the cataract is a waterfall, so there must be something. Oh, cataracts, yeah. I'll be late, but I don't care. I need a break and I need to take pictures. Maybe fly the drone. Quick. Hi, how are you? I'm on time. Hi. Yes. I do.
Can I see some ID, please?
Sure.
I know it's hard to get everything when you're on your motorcycle. Perfect, thank you.
Phew. Bye, see ya. Oh man, right on time. They already boarded the bikes. La 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 la. Hi.
Hi, how are you? you got your boarding pass and everything?
I do.
You're ready. Okay, go right up the head of line 14 and right up where they can see you because the bugs just went on.
Boarding pass. The phone didn't fail. Off. I don't want to book any ferry anymore. I just want to stop where I want, when I want. And I'll have to depend on the schedule. Oh, that's a lot of bugs. In the meantime, I might as well. So today, that's what I did. That whole loop from St. John's So they were calling me. There's an arch, natural arch somewhere, but it's a big hike. That's where it started to get cold. But then we couldn't find any gas station. Continued on my merry way, 91, and this is the dirt road I took. But instead of I didn't continue. I was just, let's hit the pavement. That's gonna speed everything up. But it was roughly the same. And that's it. I don't know how many kilometers. Your guess is as best as mine. Welcome to Nova Scotia, folks! I've made it after 16 hours of crying babies. Right, where am I going now? I have no idea. New province, new challenges. Likuchik. Alright. That's a warm welcome. No Sydney. I've been in Sydney before. Australia, mind you. There is no plan today. I didn't book any accommodation. I am free as a bird. But what I can tell you is I landed on let me close this. I landed on Cape Breton, which is famous for the Cabot Trail. But I'm not attempting it this morning. There is this long train of vehicles, and hopefully I'm making my way to Sydney. It's gonna be a big rainy day, so I've decided to go where the rain is, obviously, going south to Louisbourg. I've made it to Louisbourg, despite all the French names like Little Lorraine, Adieu Drive. It's very much Canadian. Welcome to Louisbourg. The year is 1644 and everything you see has been rebuilt because everything has been burnt down. At that time there was 19 million French in France and most of them Catholics, and for 140 days they would eat fish, but it was virtually all gone and in Europe, and the king loved is fish. So they fish the cod, salt it, preserve it, and bring it back to Europe. Hence the fortress, to protect the village from outsiders. Basically the houses were built cheap, so all they got was their possessions, everything they could store, and maybe the window glasses were the most expensive part, because everything was supposed to be burned down at a moment's notice.
It's really windy, you noticed it.
So after my GoPro died and my phone's battery died as well, it kept on raining. I waited an hour, but it kept on raining and I had to ride for 2 hours under the rain. Grim is handling it well. The tire is perfect, the handlebars as well. It's a real pleasure to ride with it. That's good news, and I can't wait to do the Cabot trail. I think that's the beginning right behind me. Onto the map now. Let me show you what I did. Pretty straightforward. This is the new map. We've got Nova Scotia and part of New Brunswick. I arrived in North Sydney and Louisburg is right there. So that's where I rode and back, making my way to Boulardry somewhere here. I can't wait what's coming and what Nova Scotia got for me, and I hope you'll forgive me for this very French first day in Nova Scotia. But what is Canada if not a mesh of French and English history? I'll see you in the next video.